guys, my name is Gauri and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I would highly appreciate and thankful if you could just take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below. Plus hit that bell icon next to it so that you'll get notified whenever I post any of the video. You can also follow me on my Instagram and this is how it looks like. Plus also tutorial on this makeup look will be up on my Instagram, or maybe I uploaded that. I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload this YouTube video, but yeah, I filmed this tutorial, so please make sure you check that out on my Instagram. Take care of yourself and your loved one as well. So as you already know from the title, today I'm gonna be sharing a haul video. So yeah, I shopped quite a lot of stuff from Nykaa. Plus I'm gonna be showing today are really affordable. So yeah, if you like any of the product, you can get your hands on them. So yeah, let's quickly begin. So guys, I've thrown the outer box जिसमें all the products came. I just kept all the products in this kit. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all the products one by one. Let's start with hair care because I have only one product for hair care. I got a PR from this brand called Blue Nectar. I got their shampoos and conditioner, that combo pack as a PR, and I totally fell in love with the shampoos. So I repurchased that. So this is the shampoo. This is the Blue Nectar Bhringanatadi shampoo. I don't know how to pronounce it. Has amla, honey, muleti, and this is for hair fall control shampoo. I bought two shampoos just for the rescue, for the backups. One is in my bathroom and one is this. So yeah, it is suitable for color treated hair as well, and this retails for 745 for 200 ml, which is quite expensive, on the expensive side, but I really like this shampoo. It has controlled my hair fall that much, but I like this one. If you guys wanna give it a try, you can give it a try. It is available on Amazon. So yeah, what I got is this Mamaearth Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron. And this is the face wash. Mamaearth products are free from paraben, SLS. They are dermatologically tested and suits for all skin type. This is for all skin types and it is for tan removal. And yeah, I just love this face wash. You can definitely give it a try. It has really small scrubbing particles as well, which is like really good. So the next thing I got from Mamaearth is this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemish. So the next thing I got from Mamaearth is this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes face cream with mulberry and vitamin C. And yeah, oh sorry, I forgot to tell the price of this. This retails for MRP 249 for 100 ml of the product. I'm so sorry. So yeah, coming back to this Bye Bye Blemishes cream, this is for uneven skin tone and also that paraben and all sort of that free. It has mulberry extract and vitamin C, which is like really good for blemishes, removing blemishes and all. So yeah, actually I got this for my mom. So yeah, I'm gonna share the review by her. So yeah, let's stay tuned. Also guys, there was an offer going on Mamaearth, like on Nykaa, that if you purchase for 1000 or something, you will get 2 mini products free. I don't know, I just forgot. So I got this Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar, and then I got this the Mamaearth face wash, Upton face wash. I got these two for free, and they both okay. This one has the face wash has 25 ml product and the moisturizer has 25 gram of the product. So yes, thing I got is a hand cream. This is from M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Hand Cream. Okay, so this one is made in India. It is for all skin types. It has 50 ml of the product and it retails for 325. Oh my god, I just love this brand because it has the coffee, like its coffee range. I just love, because I'm a coffee addict and I love coffee, and I just love everything which has coffee. So yeah, I really like this, and this is how it looks like. I'm definitely gonna share that. If you guys like to see reviews of all these products on YouTube, then please, you know, comment down and let me know. I would love to do on YouTube because I usually do mini reviews on my Instagram handle. So the next thing I got is this, not actually I got it, I don't know how, but मैंने गलत प्रोडक्ट कार्ट में डाल दिया. This is the Biotique Bio Aloe Vera Sunscreen Ultra Soothing Body Lotion. And I don't know, मुझे स्क्रब कार्ट में डालना था and they both looked so same and so similar. I don't know, but ठीक है, यूज़ हो जाएगा. It is a sunscreen with 30+ SPF. This retails for 150 rupees for 50 ml of the product. So the next thing I got, oh my god, I wanted it since so long because Malvika has it and she recommended it every single time. So I had to get my hands on this one. This is a Garnier Skin Naturals Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. Yes. And this has retinol, you know, pro retinol. It is dermatologically tested and all. And this one retails for rupees 150 for 18 grams of product, which is like ठीक है, okay, and this is the amount you get. Honestly I felt that it is you know 150 के लिए it is थोड़ा छोटा, but I really like this moisturizer. It is so amazing. Give it a try. So just a random product I got is this Calabar 4-way nail buffer. And guys, please don't buy this product. This one was for 170 or something. I don't know. Yeah, for 175 rupees. And this was such a waste of money. I just thought ki it has 4 ways to buff your nails and all, so it would be, you know, convenient to do my nails at home. But it's so bad. I don't know. Okay, this is how it came. It has 4. Okay, I already used this. This is the you know, shape 1. This is the 2, 3 and 4. And guys, this is the thermocol, you know. Can you see this? Yes, ma'am. This is made of thermocol. Like, it is so lightweight. I felt so cheated after buying this. Please don't buy this. Please. Never. Okay, next I have all the makeup products. So I'm starting with the nail paints. I got 2 LED nail paints. One is in the shade 144. And this is what I am wearing on my nails today. And second is this 131. Yes. Okay, these retails for 50 rupees. And I just love LED nail paints. So yeah, nothing written on it. So for my base makeup, I purchased a primer. This is from Inside Cosmetics. This is a primer, 3-in-1 primes, protects and moisturizes. Yes. And this retails for rupees 240. I would say this is a okay primer. This is how it looks like. This is a okay primer, but like this doesn't do much for your pores. But ठीक है, this is okay. Like if you want under budget, like इससे इतना like 240 rupees में you won't get any good quality primer. So if you want, you can give this a shot. If you don't have large pores, like okay, if you don't have large pores, you can definitely give this one a try. Nextly, I got this Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter. This is in the shade 05 medium moyen, I don't know how to pronounce it. And this is the outer packaging. And oh my god, I wanted it since so long, and I don't know why didn't I bought it earlier. And this is how the packaging is. I think it has only 6 shades, which is like not good because it doesn't have shades for dusky deeper skin tones. Medium के लिए ही है. Like let me give a swatch. This is the shade, and this is the shade number 5. I don't know how would the 6th one would be. And ठीक है, like see, it has peachy undertone. It is like okay for my skin. If I need something orange, I would use a orange corrector. I got this for 199 rupees. They haven't mentioned the price on it, so I don't know. Next I got this, which I wanted since so long again. This is the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydration Foundation, and this is in the shade 03 Warm Sand. Okay, this foundation says that if you buy one shade lighter or darker, it will gonna adapt to your skin tone and suits you really well. So I really wanted to try this one, so that's why I got this, and this is how it looks like. It has that nozzle tip, like nozzle mouth, like regular, but ठीक है, it looks so tiny. Like see, my palms, like my palm is so small, और उसमें भी see, it is really travel friendly, I would say, and it gives such a natural finish. Oh my god. And this one retails for rupees 575 for 30 ml of product, which is like okay. Next thing I got is this Swiss Beauty metallic, Swiss Beauty metallic eyeliner, and I don't know shade नहीं है इसमें. This is in the shade silver. इस पे shade mention नहीं है, and this is the liner, and this retails for rupees 199, which is quite good. And this is the packaging. I really like its packaging. Like it has a long, holding thing. Like it can give you precise. Plus, I like its brush. Like, can you see that? I hope the camera is catching. And see, it is so beautiful. Oh my god, I just love this, and I cannot wait to try this one. I just cannot wait to create looks with this. Second last thing I got is this Miss Claire Glimmer Stick for lips, and this is in the shade brown L11. No, I just picked this randomly. Like wow. It is pigmented. Like okay, I'm gonna give it a try really soon. So the last thing I got, Wet n Wild glitter, single glitter eyeshadow. I think this is what it is called. This is in the shade Groupie. This is how it looks like. This is so tiny. Oh my god, this is so cute. And let me show you. It's open. Okay. And just see. This is the pressed glitter, I would say, and just see the pigmentation. And okay. I got this only in one shade just to try it out, but I'm definitely gonna try other shades as well, because they're so beautiful. Like this is more sort of a pressed glitter, तो swatch अच्छा नहीं आता इसमें, but remain with this shadow, and I would love to create looks with this. I just cannot wait. So yeah, and this one retails for rupees 135. So yeah, ठीक है, pressed glitters are a little expensive, but that's okay. I'm really happy with this buy. So yeah. So yeah guys, that's all for today's haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give this video a really big thumbs up and share with your friends, family. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, take care you all. Bye bye.